How to add Google Maps to Shopify store. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps to Shopify store. Let's get started. So, in this method, I will use Google Maps Embed tool. First, go to Google Maps. Then, search for your store or business location. And once you find it, click on the Share button. Then, select the Embed a Map tab. You can choose the size you want, small, medium, large, or you can customize the size. Then, click the Copy HTML. Now, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Online Store. Then, go to Pages. Open the page where you want to add the map. If you want to add the page, just click this button and tap right the Add Page. And click Show HTML in the text editor. Paste the iframe code into the HTML editor. Then save your changes. That's it. You have successfully added a Google Map to Shopify store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.